So I'm going to do an overview of the Adilette Boost by Adidas.
The Adidas sandals. So I'm going to cut the box open.
So today I'm just showing you guys what the Adilette Boost slide looks like. This is the white and black pair. Now, as you can see, it's got a pretty cool sole to it. It's got Adidas written right there, and then it's got this dotted pattern that kind of gets bigger towards the end. Yeah, it's a pretty cool slide. One of the higher detailed slides that I've seen, but good luck keeping the bottom clean because it's all white, so these could be one and done in the wrong weather. Now I'll give you guys a 360 view of them. Just rotate them in a circle. They've got the 3 stripes, but they're black, so they kind of blend in. But yeah, these are really cool. They're pretty firm when you press into it, so you'll probably get good support. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these slides. Do you prefer the Adidas slides to the Nike slides, or do these change your mind at all? Yeah, if you guys could just do me a favor and thumbs up this video if you're still watching, and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm almost there, so every subscriber counts. If you could go check that out, I'd appreciate it. Alright, later. I also did a review of the women's Nike off-court slide on my channel, so if you think these are cool, go check out the whole video. Alright.